This is the radius roof rack system. The inspiration for this is that I've owned the $5,000 to $7,000 roof racks in the past and barely used them. If anything, I mounted a solar panel. I got up there once a year to tie something down, but we wanted to come to market with something that was less than half the cost and made of premium materials. All of the radius roof rack system components are made from aluminum. Our roof decks, our crossbars, our towers, our wind deflectors, our solar mounts, even our end caps are made from billet aluminum. You can have 9 roof decks up there if you just want to deck the entire thing. You can drop 3 decks from the front, drop in a solar panel. You can drop 1 deck from the rear and where your fantastic fan installs. We've designed this thing to be completely modular, and you can install it in a couple hours on a weekend.